How's it going, guys? SYG Tech is here. This is a part 2 of the TELESIN products, which by the way they sent a couple of weeks ago. Let me show you the second part of all the accessories. I already did unboxing first impressions of all the products, so make sure to check that in the end of today's video on the end cards. So let me show you this interesting bag. If you wonder which product was the part 1, it was the RGB light from TELESIN. This thing is super bright, super cool. But yeah, this was fun to watch, so make sure to check part 1 and then check the part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 5. Also, I'm gonna ask you for a favor, make sure to check my YouTube channel. I have like 1000 plus videos. You may find something useful, and also like and subscribe, why not? This is a pretty cool bag from TELESIN. This bag is gonna cost you around $23, which is super affordable in my opinion if you want to carry your Action 6. By the way, this is for Action 6. I think the Action 5 will work as well, but let me show you now. The bag comes with this lanyard as well, so you can attach it behind. It's like a carabiner type, which is pretty cool. The actual weight of the bag is 230 grams. It's not very heavy. This bag is proper cool. It's a shock absorbed, so it's a scratch resistant, so it's going to give you protection of your Action 6. Now let me show you the dimensions of the actual bag. As you can see, so the width is around 7 centimeters, height is around, let me see, it's around 3.5-4 centimeters, and the height is around 3 or 4 centimeters. So as you can see, it's pretty small, it's not very big, so if you want to protect your gear, I think it's a cool bag to have. Let me show you now inside. I think inside is the most important thing to check. So what we have inside, surprise. So we have the Action 6, as you can see. So here on the top you can put your cables, charging cables and some other stuff. And this bag is pretty cool because you can put your Action 6, 2 batteries, as you can see, your quick release and ND filters, which I think this is what you need basically if you go outside to film, to create something cool. So you have your ND filters for your cinematic videos, you have your Action 6, you have your 2 batteries and your quick release, and also you can put some other stuff here. So overall, I think this bag is gonna be very good to protect your Action 5 or 6. I believe should work with Action 5. Actually, let me demonstrate. Actually pretty cool because I also have the Action 5 as well. So this is a unattended. Yes, will not work with Action 5. So if you have the Action 5, yeah, make sure not to use this bag. Actually, TELESIN, they sell different bags for your Action 5, so buy the bag for the Action 5. So don't use this bag for Action 5 because, yeah, as you can see, it's gonna wobble and this is not safe to protect your camera. So this is meant for the Action 6. As you can see, snuggles pretty cool here and it's pretty safe in my opinion. So overall, I think this bag is pretty cool, guys. Again, $23 in the TELESIN website. I'm gonna make sure to leave all the link descriptions down below, and once again make sure to watch some of my videos. I have like 1000 plus videos in my channel. You might find something useful. TELESIN, thank you for sending all these cool products. Stay tuned for the part 3, part 4 and part 5 as well. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.